Welcome back, YouTube fam. Today's video is about my cost-effective solution I've found to nail chipping. Now, the reason I don't normally paint my nails is because I hate when they chip. Hate it. That's all I can think about. I stare at it, I'm really upset, and then I just take my nail polish off and it doesn't last very long. And really, my nails chip on the first day I paint them anyway. And getting them done professionally is really great and super cool, but very expensive. So I thought, what the hey? I'm gonna try out one of those DIY gel nail kits because the kit itself is still cheaper than getting my nails done professionally one time. Turns out it's really cool. Is it as great as getting it done professionally? No. But it does keep them from chipping. It's sturdier, it dries immediately, and for that reason it is about 20 times better, and I'm a huge fan. Which is why I want to share it with you.
First things first, start with some clean nails and then take a nail file and kind of rough them up on the top just so that they're not as smooth and can hold on to the polish a little better. The first layer is base coat, and for that you just start with rolling the bottle between your hands to get it all ready to go, and then apply it like you would normal nail polish. For all of the different polishes, base coat, color, and top coat, it's best to make the layers as thin as you can manage. Once that is all done, you put it under your little lamp, and this is for one cycle. Mine has one button, so it has an automatic timer. Then you start with the color. Again, really thin layers. It's better to do multiple coats of really thin layers than one thicker layer, because then it just kind of globs off and slides off. Between each layer, you use the lamp for 2 cycles on the color to cure. Finally, it's time for your top coat. Again, like the base coat, you roll it between your hands first and then apply a really thin layer, and then only cure it for 1 cycle on the lamp. Keep in mind that if you do this and are using a different lamp, the curing cycle information might be different, so read the instructions. And that's it. You're all done, and the best part is that once you're finished, your nail polish is already dry, so you don't have to worry about smudging it. Now, I've worn these between 1 and 2 weeks before they start to kind of peel off. They peel instead of chip. As you can see here, after a week and a half, there's like 2 minor chips on my nails, but I can live with that.
Thank you for watching. You guys are amazing. If you've tried this before and have any sort of comments or pro tips, please leave them in the comments section. If this was useful for you, please give me a thumbs up. Or if it was entertaining, thumbs up. Check out the variety of different videos that I have on my channel and subscribe.